wish para kay Noah?
Ang wish ko para kay Noah, my wish is for her to grow up kind-hearted, listen to her parents, study well, smart, happy. That's it.
Ayan,
Can
okay.
you say Noah? What?
Today was good. Today was good.
Yes. Ayan, si Mami, baka may wish po kayo. Okay na po. And syempre, let's shout Noah's happy birthday, okay? And 3, 2, 1. Lahat po tayo sabihin natin ng happy birthday, Noah, okay? Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Noah!
Ayan, syempre hindi magpapahuli ang McDonald's ka dahil kami may special gift din para kay Noah. Ayan, turn na sa iyong outfit for today, McDonald's Madagascar Pillow. Ayan, syempre bibigyan ko na kayo ng chance to have a picture together with our celebrant and dreamers dito sa unahan. Okay? Okay lang, the kids, move muna tayo para makapag-picture si Mami, Daddy, yung celebrant and dreamers. Ayan, move lang tayo content dahil kayo nasusunod sa ating picture.
Yan.
Okay,